How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to give Veiny Forearms step-by-step guide for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. First exercise we are going to do, you guys, is going to, I'm just push this back a little bit, is going to be forearm twist. This is by far the best exercise you can do for Veiny Forearms. $25, keep going. $40, keep going. $60, keep going. $75, keep going. $100 reps, no breaks, you guys. We're then gonna do this. $13, $14, $15, keep going. $20, keep going. So that's 30 repetitions, you guys. We're then gonna get our hands, we're gonna squeeze as hard as we can, and we're gonna hold. This is a really, really good exercise. You have to squeeze tight the entire time. If you do not squeeze tight the entire time, then this exercise does not work. You gotta squeeze really, really tight, and we're gonna squeeze for 30 seconds, you guys. So that's almost 20, keep going, keep squeezing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, you guys, so that is the first set. That is not the whole workout, that is just the first set. I want you guys to take a 1-minute break and then redo it for a total of 5 sets. What you can do is rewatch the video if you want to, following along with each set that you do. That way, I count the reps and do everything, so you can do that if you want to. You can do this workout every single day, so you can do it Monday to Sunday. No rest days needed. And yeah, this is the workout I used to do for probably my first year of training, just because it was really, really good. In total, you'll do 500 reps for the twists, 150 for the curls, and 150 seconds, so 2.5 minutes for the squeezes. This is a really, really good workout for beginners. And then once you can do this, you can do some of my more advanced training where we would do like 10 sets instead of 5, for example. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.